Hello everyone, in today's video we will going to discuss about medicinal plants. And some of these medicinal plants are common that can be found in our hometown and can be a home remedy. And these medicinal plants can cure illnesses, disease, wound healing, and etc. And now, we will gonna talk about how to prepare these medicinal plants. And these are some of the processes or how we prepare the medicinal plants. We can make up these medicinal plants with infusion, decoction, drying, poultice, pulverization, consumption, and extraction.
One of the classifications of medicinal plants is shrub. Shrub is a woody plant that is typically less than 8 meters tall. Unlike a tree, shrubs have several stems and vary widely in size. Some shrubs are less than 2 meters high, while others are around 6 to 8 meters tall. So basically, shrubs are small trees. One of the example of shrubs are lemon. Its scientific name is citrus lemon. The parts used for its preparation are seeds, leaves, and fruits. For its preparation, the lemon juice is used typically for various skin conditions. The boiled lemonade is used for colds and as a sweat increaser. Lemon juice in water is used for dyspepsia. The compress of juice applied to the upper stomach stops vomiting. The medicinal uses of lemon is valued for its anti-catarrhal blood circulation, capillary protection, antihypertensive, and antispasmodic properties. It also has antibacterial and antifungal effects when applied to skin and mucous membranes. Next is the guava. The scientific name is Psyllium guajava. Its local name is bayabas. The parts used for its preparation is leaves. For the preparation of guava, the guava leaves are used to prepare a decoction that's effective as an antidiarrheal. The decoction is ingested multiple times a day. The medicinal uses of guava leaves are known for their antidiarrheal properties and have demonstrated antibacterial, antioxidant, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, anti-anemic, hemostatic, and sedative effects. They are indicated for various conditions including dyspepsia, edema, swelling, dizziness, diarrhea, and nervousness. Another example is the lugundi. The scientific name is Vitex negundo. The parts used for its preparation are the leaves, bark, roots, and seeds. For its preparation, the lugundi is used to prepare decoctions, infusions, and for external applications like baths or sponging. It is administered for conditions such as fever, toothaches, asthma, cough, and others. The medicinal uses of lagundi is an effective analgesic and antitussive, often used as a pleasant cough syrup. It's considered a potential replacement for dextromethorphan in public health. We also have the santan. Its scientific name is Ixora coccinea. The parts used are the leaves, roots, stems, and flowers. Santan is used in various preparations, including using the roots for diarrhea and dysentery. It can also be used externally for sores and ulcers. The medicinal uses of santan is used for treating diarrhea, nausea, cough, asthma, wounds, sores, and various other ailments. And the last example for shrubs are the gumamela. Its scientific name is Hibiscus rosacinensis, and the parts used are the leaves, stems, and flowers. For its preparation, gumamela can be utilized either dried or fresh. Dried parts are used in decoctions, while fresh parts are boiled. It can be used for various health purposes. Gumamela is used to treat conditions like bronchitis, coughs, fever, dysentery, urinary, and bladder infections, high blood pressure, constipation, headaches, boils, swelling, abscesses, and mumps.
One classification of medicinal plants is herbs. Herbs are short plants with green, delicate, and tender stems. They may have no or less branches. The examples are: the first is ginkgo biloba. Its scientific name is ginkgo biloba. Parts used is the leaf. Preparation: Ginkgo leaves are commonly used to make ginkgo biloba extract, available as a supplement. Homemade extract preparation may require specific equipment. It's best to purchase standardized ginkgo biloba extract from a reputable source. Medicinal uses. Ginkgo leaf extract is promoted as a dietary supplement for various conditions, including anxiety, allergies, dementia, eye problems, peripheral artery disease, other health issues. Feverfew. Its scientific name is Tanacetum parthenium. Part use is leaves. Preparation. Dried feverfew leaves can be used to make feverfew or tea tinctures. A simple recipe for leaf feverfew tea involves pouring boiling water over dried feverfew leaf, covering, steeping for 10 to 15 minutes, and then straining. Medicinal uses. Feverfew is used for the treatment of fevers, migraine headaches, stomach aches, toothaches, insect bite, infertility, and problems with menstruation and labor during childbirth. Third one is peppermint. Its scientific name is Mentha piperita L. Part use, leaves. Preparation. Dried peppermint leaves can be used to make various forms of medicine, such as peppermint tea, peppermint oil, or peppermint tinctures. A basic recipe for peppermint tea involves pouring boiling water over dried peppermint leaves, covering, steeping for 5 to 10 minutes, and then straining. Medicinal uses. Peppermint may ease digestive issues, relieve tension headaches, and migraines, and help with menstrual cramps. The next one is basil. Its scientific name is Ocimum basilicum. Part use, leaves. Medicinal uses, used for stomach problems like spam, gas, diarrhea, and more. Preparation, dry basil leaves, crush them into powder, and store for future use. The last one is Echinacea purpurea. Its scientific name is Echinacea purpurea. Part use, leaves. Preparation. Echinacea leaves and flowers can be used to make echinacea tea, tinctures, or capsules. A simple recipe for echinacea tea involves pouring boiling water over dried echinacea leaves and flowers, covering, steeping for 10 to 15 minutes, and then straining. Medicinal uses. Echinacea is commonly used as dietary supplement for the common cold and other infections.
Another classifications of medicinal plants are annual plants. So annuals are plants that complete their life cycle in 1 year. They germinate, grow, they have roots, and die off within a year. The first example of annual plants is bell pepper. The scientific name is Capsicum annum. The part used are leaves, flowers, and seeds. To prepare a bell pepper, you have to grind pepper fruit into a fine powder and mix with a carrier oil or ointment. For medicinal uses, it's used for the treatment of cold, toothache, sore throat, muscle pain, wound healing, and etc. Another examples of annual plants is sunflower. The scientific name is Helianthus annus. The part used are leaves, flowers, and seeds. To prepare a sunflower infusion, you have to make an infusion from flower petals. Then you have to boil it with water, then strain, and you can now use it for your skin. So the medicinal uses are its seeds have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and other benefits. And yung petals naman, it is used for skin irritations. Next is the summer savory. The scientific name is Satoreha hortensis. The part used are leaves and stems. For preparation, you have to make an infusion by steeping leaves in hot water. Then you have to boil it and strain and then drink for potential digestive or respiratory benefits. The medicinal uses are used for cold, stomach pain, gas, and many more. Next example is the dill. The scientific name is Anetum graveolens. The fruit used are leaves, seeds, small stems, and immature flower umbels. For preparations, make an infusion by steeping dill leaves or seeds in hot water, then boil it, and then strain it to separate the juice from the dead leaves or seeds, and then you can now drink it. For medicinal uses, it is used for stomach ailments, colic, and many more. The last examples of annual plants is marigold. The scientific name is Tadiant erecta. The part used are flowers, leaves, and seeds. To prepare a marigold infusion, you have to submerge dried petals in a carrier oil and then strain to separate the dried petals from the extract and then use it typically. For medicinal uses, it is used for skin conditions, minor burns, and many more.
Their classification of medicinal plants is tubers. Tubers are specialized storage stem of certain seed plants. Tubers are usually short and thickened and typically grow below the soil. A short, fleshy, usually underground stem bearing minute-scale leaves, each of which bears a bud in its axil and is potentially able to produce a new plant. First example of tubers is ginseng. Scientific name is Panax ginseng. Parts use root, leaf, and stem. Process and preparation. Clean and dry the ginseng root. It can be used in various forms including dried root, ginseng tea, or as an ingredient in herbal supplements. Medicinal uses. Ginseng has been used for improving overall health, strengthening the immune system, reducing stress, and promoting well-being. It may also help improve blood sugar, cholesterol, immune health, and reduce fatigue. Second example is sweet potato. Scientific name is Ipomea batatas. Part use, the tuber, or itself. Process and preparation. Peel and cook the sweet potatoes by boiling, baking, or roast. Sweet potatoes are often consumed as a nutritious food source. Medicinal uses. Sweet potatoes are known for their potential health benefits, including protecting against chronic diseases, anti-inflammatory properties, regulation of blood sugar levels, and support for weight loss. They can help lower the risk of heart disease and keep you feeling full for longer. Third one is taro. Its scientific name is Colocasia esculenta. Part use, the corms. Process and preparation. Harvest the taro corms when mature, usually after about 9 to 12 months or growth. Peel and slice them, then boil or steam until soft. Taro can be consumed as food or made into poultices for wound healing. Medicinal uses. Taro may promote healthy vision, skin, circulation, immune system function, and provide antioxidant benefits. It may help lower blood sugar levels, support weight loss, and promote healthy digestion, among other benefits. The next one is wild yam. Its scientific name is Dioscorea. Part use are bulb and root. Preparation. Clean and peel the tubers, then dry or powder them for use in traditional medicine. Wild yam is used in herbal remedies and traditional medicine for various purposes, including hormonal balance and anti-inflammatory effect. Medicinal uses. Wild yam is used for treatment of menopause symptoms, diabetes, and muscular cramps. Last one is yakon. Its scientific name is Ismalanthus soncifolius. Part use, roots and leaves. Preparation. Dig up the yakon tubers when they are mature. Clean and pit them. Yakon roots can be eaten fresh or used to make yakon syrup, which serves as a natural sweetener. Medicinal uses. Yakon is used for diabetes management, weight control, and reducing inflammation.
Another classification of medicinal plants are rhizomes. Rhizomes are also known as rootstocks. They are specialized plant stems that grow either at or just below the soil surface. They contain nodes from which roots and shoots emerge and grow horizontally. One of the examples of rhizomes is ginger. Its scientific name is Zingiber officinale. Its local name is luya or laya. The parts used are the rhizomes. The preparation of ginger. The ginger water can be made from fresh ginger root by grating it, boiling it in water, and steeping before consumption. The medicinal uses of ginger is used for various medicinal purposes, such as reducing nausea, inflammation, and symptoms of different conditions. Next is the lotus. Its scientific name is Nelumbo nocifera. The local names are sacred lotus or loto. The parts used for its preparation are flowers, seeds, leaves, and rhizome parts. Lotus root can be prepared by slicing, soaking, and adding it to various dishes. It can also be used to make products like whole lotus root powder. Lotus is believed to have medicinal properties for ailments like bleeding, fever, liver and stomach issues. Another example is canna lily. The scientific name is Canna carnea. The local name is ticas. The parts used for its preparation are the rhizomes, flowers, and leaves. Rhizomes are used in decoctions, infusions, and an external remedy for wounds. Ticas is used typically administered for jaundice, nosebleeds, and other uses as specified. It can also be used in fever and an external application for nosebleeds and wound healing. Next is the Bermuda grass. Its scientific name is Cynodon dactylon. The local name is couchgrass or wiregrass. The parts used are the roots and the leaves. Bermuda grass is prepared as decoctions, infusions, and pastes for different medical purposes. Bermuda grass is used for various medicinal purposes, including its use as a diuretic treatment for piles, bleeding, and other conditions. It is also used for skin infections and urinary tract infections. And the last example for the rhizomes is the bearded iris. Its scientific name is Iris germanica. The local name is German iris. The parts used are the roots and leaves. For its preparation, the juice are extracted from bearded iris and used for dropsy treatment and for addressing lung and respiratory conditions. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties.
The last classifications of medicinal plants are climbers. And these climbers are climbing plants that have a special structures that allow them to grow vertically by attaching to support structures, like walls or trellises. The first examples of climbers plants are snow peas. The scientific name is Physarum sativum L. The part used are seeds and leaves. To prepare a snow pea paste, you have to boil and mash green peas to create a paste. The medicinal uses are treatment for ache and a source of nutrition for various health issues. Next examples is bougainvillea. The scientific name is Bougainvillea spectabilis wild. The parts used are leaves, stem, and flowers. To prepare a bougainvillea paste, first you have to harvest, dry, and then grind. For medicinal uses, it is used for various disorders, cold, sore throat, low blood pressures, and diabetes. The next examples of climbers plants are cucumber. The scientific name is Cucumis sativus L. The parts used are fruit, seeds, and leaves. To prepare a skin treatment from cucumber, you have first to get a cucumber fruit and then slice it with the size that you want and apply it to the skin affected area. For medicinal uses, it is used to skin care, treating wrinkles, and soothing irritated skin. Another example is ampalaya. The scientific name is Momordeca charantia L. The part used are leaves, roots, and fruits. For preparations of ampalaya juice, first you have to get the ampalaya fruit and then slice it and then soak to reduce the bitterness and then put it in a blender and blend. After that, use a strainer and strain it to separate the juice from its paste. And then now, you can drink it. For medicinal uses, it is used for colitis, cold, purgative, and expelling intestinal parasite. The last examples of climber's plants are baggy beans. The scientific name is Pisum sativum L. The part used are seeds and leaves. In preparations of baggy beans treatment, first you have to boil it and then cool it down before applying to the affected area. For medicinal uses, it is used to fight inflammations, regulate blood pressure, and promote digestion, and also improve overall health.